Hello guys, hope you are good. Hope you are doing fine. It has been long since I've made a video, and I'd like to go through the market structure so that you can be able to know the direction of the market. If you know the direction of the market, then you can be able to know where actually we are going, and that is one of the most important things to know where the market is going. Are we going low? Are we going high? So, or are we in downtrend? Are we in uptrend? And that is it. So I like to identify this high, this is the low here, which actually most people they say that it's support and resistance. But for me, it's a support and resistance, yes. But now I'm going to term it as the break of structure. That when this candle, this red candle close, it close this line and have closed below. The body has closed below this line. That is when I say that the market has broken the structure. So it means that I'll be expecting more down trade on lower low and lower highs. So again, this is the low to where the wick is, and actually from this point now I can be able to say that this candle has broken the structure. We are going on. This is called now the lower low. This is called now the lower high. After we have broken, after you draw this line, and then the market goes up and then comes again, then when it have closed this line, then automatically this become the lower high. This one, I mean that one becomes the lower high, and then then we are going on lower low, and then you can be able to see that here the market is like it is coming to a consolidation. It's a consolidation, but you can be able to see that the market has not made a significant high here to say that this is the lower low. This is just a minor low, but from this point you can be able to see the market has moved a distance. So you can say that now the most important the area that has been broken is this one, you see, because at least the market has moved at least a good distance, you see, from here to here, you see. So it means that you can say that this is now the lower low, this is now the lower low. Now where is the lower high? After we have seen that, you draw this line, then we break this structure here, then it means that automatically this one becomes the lower high. You see that one, it becomes the lower high. So actually the market is in downtrend, and that way you can be able to go on and on and on and on, yeah, so that you can be able to see that it's a downtrend. And what about here? You can be able to see that here the market has gone significant uptrend here to this low, and its high is this one from that point up to here. So it means that the market is going lower low, lower high, and then we are gone the lower low. At least now here it has broken well the lower low, then the lower high, you see. So you keep on drawing that. After now you have broken that one, is now the lower low, is high. This market has come from this point. This is the movement that has broken the structure. So this one becomes the lower high, this one, right? So you can be able to see when we actually say that the market is downtrend and the trend is your friend, this is what we mean, that the market is going down and the market is actually going down. We see that the market is breaking the lower highs and lower low. Okay, let me break this one. As you can see, I am in this kind of a trade. uh, so the reason why I'm just trading on a very lower time frame, which is 5 minutes, because there is always high and high lows, you see. So from this point, you see that I identified this as the low here. That is the low. And then after now you have broken this is low here, this low has been broken, then we came high until up to this point. And so the market was consolidating and going up, meaning that it did not have strength. The market does not have strength. But one thing I know is that this market came to this, it had come down already. So I'm expecting the market maybe to come and make a double top here, because this is a supply area. And so when the market came towards this line here, this box of mine, actually I was entering the trade, but you see, as long as the market came and touched that line of mine, that is when I was selling, because I knew already we are in downtrend. You see, already we are in downtrend, we are going down, then lower high. This lower high now I was iterated with, because when the market came here, it just went in a zigzag way on top. So I knew that the market was going to make the lower high, so it to come here at this supply area, at this box, and then it falls down. So it has very small time frame in a 5 minutes, but now I know that I'm actually waiting for the market to come until this point. And because these 5 minutes, they give me a very good risk to reward ratio. Once I am in profit, I log the profit and we go on. So that was, by the way, as you cannot be able to say that what happened into that trade. So now let's go to uptrend. When the market is trending on uptrend, let me choose this place. It's only 5 minutes, but now, okay, I can go even into 5 minutes, into 1 hour, so time frame, and then you can be able to see. You can start maybe some here, like this place. You can be able to see that the market is going high. This is now there. After we break the high, this becomes the high low in this area. It becomes the high low there. Actually, that one becomes the high low. That one. Now we have two of them. So now we have broken the high, then we come to the high low. Then we are going to wait until the market breaks this highs, this high. You see, the equal highs. So it means that we are waiting for the market to go high, then high low, and then after now it has broken the high here, then this automatically become the high low. This one, this one to come there, to become the high low, and that one, you see, this come high low, equal highs, equal highs, and then becomes to the low here. So this one becomes the equal highs, and then the equal lows again here at that area. And then now we wait for this area now to be broken, this high or this high. Now we have broken it, you see, the high low. After now we have broken it, then we wait for it to break another area here. That is the highest. Then the market went up, it went up, then down. So this area now becomes the high low. This area became the high lows here, that area. So we are going on high low, then high. You would say that is now the high at this area that has been broken. Then its low become here, you see. So actually here So you can be able to see uh, it has come here, you see to that line. So it means that we are going on high high, high low, then we break high high, then a high low, and then we goes on high high, then we goes on high high. So that is how the movement usually moves. So when we actually say that we are in the uptrend, this is what we actually mean, that we are in uptrend. And then this is now the low here, that one. And so we can be able to say that now what about on like this kind of area. So one thing that you're going to find is that you see this market went vigorously up, and then it created equal highs on here at the top. But you can be able to tell the kind of the movement that market is making. You see, it's actually not a very strong movement despite this making. Now we are changing the trend here. Yeah, you see, we are changing now the trend. Yeah, you see, we are changing the trend at that area. You see, so we are going on lower low, equal highs here, then lower low. It's breaking these lows. It's breaking these lows again. You see, so then lower low, and actually when it came here to the support and resistance here to the resistance becoming the support, because when you see great big candle, we say that in this area there is a liquidity void and it had to be filled, and then it was filled. And again you can be able to see that the institutions, the banks, the big people with big money, billions and millions of dollars, they were buying here. And then when we came here, they mitigated this place, and then you can be able to see now the market started to make actually more high highs now, high lows, high highs and high lows again. You can be able to see there high lows again. Yeah, and the market actually went up and up and up. And then when we actually break the structure, then you can be able to see that now again we the market direction have changed, and then we are going on, and now we are going on lower low, lower high, then lower low, then actually the lower highs, and then we break again the structure here. You see the bracket structure there, and again expecting the highs, but it failed. And then we came here, and then you can be able to see that the structure became broken. And actually before we came here, you can be able to see here most of the can be able to see on here we break the structure, then we came again. This was the lowest, and then it was broken, then low, low, high, lower, low. We came again to the downtrend again. That is how you can be able to identify the market structure. So I hope you have benefited from this video. If you want to follow more videos like this one, actually you can be able to watch this video, subscribe. Yes, and I am out next time. If you want to make me more videos, I can be able now to know how you can be able to be entering this kind of a trades, how you can be able to have a setup, and then you can be able to trade according to the trend, according to the direction of the trend. So I wish you all the best, guys. Have a nice day. Subscribe, like and share. God bless you. I'm out.